Hello everyone. Today, we will practice the word pasta. Let's practice with me. Pasta. I like pasta. Pasta is delicious. I cook pasta. She eats pasta. We eat pasta together. Do you like pasta? Pasta with tomato sauce. I want pasta for lunch. He orders pasta at work. Pasta is easy to cook. We share pasta at dinner. She likes pasta and salad. I eat pasta every Friday. Pasta helps me relax. Can you cook pasta well? Pasta is my favorite food. We enjoy pasta after work. She makes pasta with cheese. I buy pasta at the store. Pasta tastes great with herbs. Do you want pasta now? Let's eat pasta together soon. Thank you for practicing with me. Please subscribe, like, and share English Audio Dict. See you again in tomorrow's video.